Hey guys, welcome to my new apartment. Sorry, my dog is moving. Why are you crying? Come inside. No. Okay, just come in. So when you first walk in, this is the door, and then we have the laundry room, and there's a light you can just turn it on. So this is the laundry room. I have already moved in, so of course there's like stuff, and then like fixing the lights and stuff, so there's a ladder and stuff, but this is the laundry room. I love that there's storage area, so we have a shelf. I can put like my detergents and stuff. I can even hang obviously like my laundry. But I really like that I have a washer and dryer because I hate like having to go downstairs to do that. At my last house, it was in the basement, and I mean that's really not that bad like compared to a building where you have to go all the way downstairs, but even with that, like, it was kind of annoying sometimes too. We have the den. This is like what I really needed. So this is the den. Oh, the lights are really bright. Yeah, so this is the den. This is gonna be my filming room. I'm not sure if I'm just gonna set up my backdrops in here and like my filming table how I used to film, or I kind of think I want to actually set it up as a glam room because I've never really had one before. I did want a second bedroom, but because I have a dad, I think I'm just gonna make it a glam room so I can actually film in here and have like a really nice aesthetic and stuff. So the lights in here were actually really yellow before. I got them changed to this really bright light, which I really like. And I like that there's also a little corner over here. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but I know obviously there's gonna be a lot of storage and desks and shelves and makeup. So yeah, I'm just really happy that I finally have that. Turn off these lights. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay, so next is the kitchen. And honestly, this is my favorite part. I feel like the kitchen is usually like why people usually go for that space. I love it. First of all, I love gray, so obviously we have gray countertops, backsplash, just everything is just perfect. This is perfect. I really love the stove as well. I love the stove because it's just really sleek and modern. I'm really into like just like neutrals. You guys know this, like gray, black, white, that minimalistic modern look. Got the microwave right above, and then we have some shelves. This one goes out like this. I think that's really cool. Obviously this is the fridge. There's not much in here because I just moved in. I got some Fiji water. Stay hydrated. And yeah, and then obviously the freezer. Nothing to see in there. I like that for underneath the sink that we have two really big drawers. They pull out, so there's a lot of, and they're deep. There's a lot of storage in here. It's really deep, and there's two. So there's one here and one here. I love that on the other side of the counter, which is perfect because I actually I already knew I didn't really want a dinner table. Maybe down the line, but right now I'm good with just bar stools. We also have a little charging outlet right here, which I like. And there's another cupboard for storage right under here. I have some things in here right now, obviously. I tried to make it as clean as possible for you guys. You know, like it's supposed to be an empty apartment tour, but technically I've already moved in. I love that there's storage under here. And I really, actually, can I have this candle? So I bought this candle, so I bought this candle honestly like 6 months ago, and I was like, you know what, I don't want to light it because it smells so good, and it's just like, this is like my aesthetic. I mean, there's not much. It's just black, sleek, modern, and I knew I wanted to light this as soon as I moved. It's kind of already almost done, but I just think it just goes so well in the kitchen, right? Yeah. I really like the backsplash too. So, yeah, so we're gonna move into the bathroom right here. So this is the bathroom. I'm still getting used to the fact that the lights are behind the door. But this is the mirror, obviously. I really like this mirror. It's super wide. I kind of wish it was a little bit lower just because I'm really short. I'm like 4'11", 5 feet, so I can only see about up to here, but it's okay. And I really like the shower as well. I think the shower head is so like interesting. I've never seen that before. And yeah, this is a shower. I still haven't cleaned it, by the way. But yeah, that tap is leaking. I actually have somebody coming to look at it like right now. So yeah, but I really like the bathroom as well. There I am with my brother helping me film. And yeah, so this is the bathroom. Okay. Alright, so now this is the living room area. If you guys remember from the last vlog I uploaded, the tenant living here did have a whole dinner table and a huge xoxo. Still chasing her tail. Can you see her? Seriously? Anyways. So yeah, she does have a really big dinner table in here. Like I said before, I don't really need one right now. So I'm gonna use this area for my desk, like to actually work. So that's gonna be my glam room to film. And then I wanted a separate area so I can actually do my work, like work on my laptop. I'm also gonna get a MacBook, so I finally have a desk area to do that and edit and all that stuff.
You mean an iMac?
Did I say MacBook?
Yeah.
My bad. iMac. Yeah, so this will be that area, and then it's actually a really big living area. I'm really happy, so I'm able to do both. So this area right here is obviously going to be the living room area. So this is gonna be, I'm sorry about the mess, you guys, okay? Like, this is the reality. I've moved in. I haven't unpacked anything yet because I still wanted to keep it pretty empty for you guys. So yeah, my couch is obviously gonna go here. Coffee table, rug. I kind of know what I want. I already ordered my couch, so yeah. Here is going to be obviously the TV because whoever was living here before already had this set up. Perfect.
Speaker turned off.
Oh, alright, so I just put on my jacket because it's chilly right now. But this is the balcony, which I'm so happy to have one. I'm definitely gonna get some furniture to put out. Ow! to put out here. Yeah, it's a pretty big balcony space. Sorry, it's really noisy, obviously. Yeah, so this is my view, you guys, which is just so crazy to have. Like, crazy. And I love that I don't have any buildings in front of me. So I'm seeing the entire like highway and train tracks and what's the word I'm looking for? Trees, just everything. I have a really nice view and it's really cold, so we're gonna go inside. Before we go inside, as you guys can see the bedroom from out here, so I think that's really cool. Come on, Coco. And we're going into the bedroom now. So unfortunately I do have my mattress. It got delivered. I couldn't hold it off. I was gonna move it just so I can show you guys, but honestly, it's okay. Let's move these. I did a little bit of shopping. It's not as spacious as I was looking for, however, because I have a work area, I have a den. All I really need in here, like I'm really simple, you guys. All I really need, let's turn the lights because it's getting dark. All I really need, to be really honest, in a bedroom, if I have everything else I need, is my bed, my dresser, and closet space. And I'm not going to show you guys the closet yet because that's my favorite part, so we're going to leave that for last. But yeah, I like that it has this little corner over here, which is why I decided to put my bed in the corner. The girl that was here before had her bed in the middle. I just didn't like that as soon as you walk in there's a bed. I don't like clutter. I like really open space. Coco. And yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna put here. I don't know if I want to leave it bare. I was thinking to put the dresser here, but I'm not gonna put it here because I like that I can see the balcony and the living room from here and vice versa. Yeah, I'm thinking of maybe even adding, I was gonna add like my little vanity here, but I'm just gonna put that in the glam room. I think I'm gonna put like a little, like, not a sofa, but like a little chair. I don't know. I don't know, you guys, obviously, like, this is my first time having this stuff, so I'm just, like, I have so many ideas that I want to try. I don't know, let me know what you guys think I could do with this space. I like that I have outlets down here. You can't sit. I like that I have outlets down here. Unfortunately, my laptop charger doesn't fit in here because it's long. And, oh, okay. And now, again, the view, I love that you can see, like, I love that I have a full view of everything from the balcony all the way to the bedroom. I've always wanted floor to ceiling windows, an amazing view, lighting. You guys know lighting is key. I have natural lighting. I don't almost have to use lights now for pictures. Like, first of all, my selfies are about to be like on point, so yeah. This is the view again from my bedroom, so I get to wake up and actually just take this all in, which is just crazy. It still hasn't kicked in yet, even though I have moved in, like, I don't know, it still doesn't feel like it's mine, if that makes any sense. Okay, so obviously I decided to move my dresser here for now. I was gonna move it here, but I think I'm just gonna put a night table here. I still don't know yet. Obviously, I have, you know, trial and error and stuff like that. Anyway, so this is my favorite part of, well, my second favorite part, because the kitchen's honestly my favorite part. But this is my second favorite part of my condo, and I have a walk-in closet. I've never had one before, and yeah, and there's a light. Like, guys, look at all this storage space. I do have a lot of clothes and shoes. I really don't have that much bags. I can probably count on 1 or 2 hands how many. This girl is just sleeper. Okay, yeah, so I have a lot of clothes, so of course that's why I still need a dresser, but it doesn't matter because I have a walk-in closet, and I'm just really, really happy about that. Obviously, I'm going to put all my shoes and bags here. Really my favorite part for real, because I feel like it's every girl's dream to have a walk-in closet ever. Like, you know, this is my first time, so I just think it's really crazy. So yeah, I'm going to walk you guys out because it's time to go. And yeah, so this is my apartment. Alright guys, so that is the end of my first apartment tour, condo tour, same thing. So yeah, I'm so happy to finally actually say that I have an apartment. You guys know how long I've wanted my own space, so I'm just really, really happy. I feel really blessed and just thankful and grateful. So yeah, time to go. So, bye guys. Okay, that is not how I end on my videos. I don't just dismiss y'all like that. So, yes, I just want to say thank you guys for watching my first apartment condo tour. Like I already said before, I'm really, really grateful to just, what? Yeah, it's crazy, it doesn't feel real yet. By the way, I'm really, really sick. Really sick. This is like the worst time to be sick, because I have a lot of work. God, I have a lot of work and stuff to do like that. But again, I just wanted to say thank you guys for rocking with me and supporting me, and yeah, because I wouldn't have made it this far without obviously your guys' support and love, and just always, you know, just rocking with me. So now this is the official goodbye. The next time you guys see new videos, it'll be in this new space. And yeah, I'm really, really hungry. I gotta go get some food. I'm waiting on my dad. Time to set up my bed and stuff like that. I really wanted to like get this apartment, like film this apartment tour when it was super empty, but I didn't have anybody to help me over the weekend. So I had to wait for my brother to finish school. Obviously by then, like, I had to move my stuff in, you know. So this is just the reality of it, you guys. It's not always gonna go as perfect or as planned, but you know, you guys get the gist of it. I have my own apartment. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye, guys. It's not focusing. Wait. Wait, we get them on? Oh, damn, Coco. Come here. Say, hey, guys. Nope. Nope. Okay. Time to go. Okay, let me just... Oh, this lighting right here looks good. Javon, you should have recorded me right here. Hey, Coco. Go, Coco. You go, Glen Coco. You go, Glen Coco.